The figure below shows two rectangular tanks A and B. So they mention that tank A has a base of 30 cm square, so I'm going to write here area 30 cm square. Okay, and then tank B has a base area of 90 cm square. Okay, they said that tank A contained water up to a height of 47 cm square. What was the volume of the water in tank A? So for this one will actually be quite simple. For you to find the volume of water in tank A, you merely need to take the base area multiplied by the height. Therefore, the volume of water in A would be 30 multiplied by 47. Okay, so let's just go ahead and throw that inside our calculator. 30 multiplied by 47, that will give us 1410 cm cube. Okay, so this is your part A done. Okay, so the next part, they said that tank B was empty at first. Alvin turned on the tap for 6 minutes, allowing the water to flow in at the rate of this. Okay, so he turned on for 6 minutes, and then there's going to be accumulating some water over here, which we do not know until how high. So what we can do at this point of time, right, stop first, do not read further. Remember what I told you? Go and get all the information that you need from here. They said that he turned on the tap for 6 minutes, and in the water flow is 95 cm cube per minute. So I'm just going to put over here will be tap 6 minutes. Since in 1 minute is 95 cm cube, for 6 minutes it will be 6 multiplied by 95. So 6 multiplied by 95, that will give us 570 cm cube. Now, which means that in the 6 minutes, there's already 570 cm cube of water inside. Then he poured some water from A into B until the water level is the same. Okay, so he said that he turned on the tap for 6 minutes, right? And then like he poured in some water from A into B until the water of the height of the water level is the same in B as in A. The question has something wrong for this one. Why? Because they mentioned that, hey, you know what? You switch on the tap for 6 minutes and then you pour water from tank A to tank from tank A to tank B. While it's pouring, right, do I take into account that your tap is still flowing? Because if it's still flowing, right, we need to account for that. But in this case, since they never mentioned, we can just assume that they only turn on the tap for 6 minutes. That's all. After turning on the tap for 6 minutes, right, there is this amount of water inside tank B, whereas there's this amount of water inside tank A. For them to have the same water height, remember what I told you previously? Find the total volume of water. After that, find the total area. In this case, we have 30, and this one we have 90, right? We take the total volume of water, which is these two, divided by the combined area to find the water level. Now let's just go ahead and do that. Total volume of water, so I'm going to put here total volume in A and B would be 1410 plus 570. So let's just go ahead and get a calculation done. 1410 plus 570, that will give us 1980 cm cube of water. Now, what is the combined area? Total area over here would be 30 cm plus 90 cm square, giving us 120 cm square. Okay, right now I'm going to take this combined water volume divided by the combined area, and that will give me the height, which is the same for both. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1980 divided by 120. So let's see what do we get from this calculation. 1980 divided by 120, that will give us 16.5 cm, which means that after the tap flowed in for 6 minutes and then the water was poured from A to B until the water level is the same for both, the water height, right, will be 16.5 cm. So they said find the height of the water level in B. So this is actually how, oh no, I'm so sorry. I realized that whatever working that I'm doing, you all cannot see. So I'm going to explain. So remember we found the total volume, which is 1980. Then we found the total area, which is 120. The total volume is the water inside here, as well as the volume inside the tank B after your tap has been flowing for 6 minutes. So this is the total volume. After total volume, remember I told you the method. The method is to find the total volume. After that, you find the total area. You take the volume divided by area to find the water height, which is the same for both. So which is why I did this 1980 divided by 120. This one being the total volume of water, which is here, and this one being the total area, which is here. And then you're going to get 16.5 cm, and that is going to be the height of the water level in tank B as well as tank A, because they're both the same. Alright, done.